That was pretty dangerous. I am not even wearing a helmet, so this is bad. I'm not very good at this, so I bang into things. I'm digging out trash buried under the snow with the excavator. I'm moving this trash to my parents' place nearby. This land is mine. I'd like to say I can leave trash here if I want, but this is part of a rich rice field area. I've been cleaning it up little by little. This place will be clean soon, but I'm only moving the mess away from here. Now my parents' place is starting to fill up with trash instead. My wife moved those steel pipes you saw earlier. She asked me to cut this metal, so I'm using the grinder. Before I inherited this land, I had never even touched a grinder. Back then, working with big pieces of metal really scared me. But now I'm used to it. I made this text with magic. Since it's free magic, I only get a limited number of uses each day. That was pretty dangerous. I'm not even wearing a helmet, so this is bad. This is what happened after that. I got some really good footage. My face is completely white. Right before this, I was cutting a concrete pipe. After using the grinder, I left the generator running. If I shut the engine off every time, starting it again is a hassle. This is what happens when I work with limited time. Since it had gasoline in it, I'm glad it did not explode. I want to break this metal piece free, so I hit it hard, but that did not work. So in situations like this, I use the grinder. But because I flipped the generator over earlier, the engine will not start. I'm rough with everything. Looks like I broke it again. Am I the only one who keeps breaking tools? Comments are welcome from any country. recently I've learned to use a little bit of magic. Any language is fine. I thought the generator was broken, but no matter where it was made, it's pretty tough. This is how the work keeps going. If you like, please come back and watch again. I am also looking forward to your comments. If this makes you want to show it to someone, that alone would make me happy. How would this be in your country?